teeny itty bitty, this little teeny tiny thing right there. That is the beginning of a little fetal pole right there. So I'm getting like 5 weeks.
Stickers for our gender reveal says she Rex or he Rex because my daughter was having a 3 Rex party. Okay, making goodie bags, putting in a few tattoos. Oh, that's my brother. I don't know why that's there. But got some goodie bags to put them in like that. Got putting 2 airheads in, 2 suckers in, putting a couple of, tattoos in, and then bubbles. And that's going to be the goodie bag. For the cake toppers, it came with these sticks, and it also came with like double-sided glue dots. And I just rolled the stick over the glue dot, and it rolled perfectly. And then you stick it to the back of the cards, and it's just like perfect. What the final cake looks like, and it was a little bit crowded. We are having a boy. So we're gonna have a little Damon. We're gonna nickname him DJ, and I am so excited to have like a little bitty boy.